everyone, Kelly Shaffner here, and my dog Elijah is right at my feet looking at me like I'm a crazy woman. I might be, but he is often right underfoot as I film these videos. He's a little camera shy. Maybe he will make an appearance in today's video. I have a Nadine West package to open. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm really glad that you showed up. It's been a minute since I have put a video on YouTube, and well, you know, life gets busy. I know your life is busy too, so I really appreciate that you take the time to join me to see what Nadine sent. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. I sure hope that you will subscribe, stick around, join me for another video. So this is a bag filled with clothing and some jewelry, I think, that Nadine has sent for me to try on at home. Nadine does send me these packages for free in exchange for my honest review. So that's what we're going to do. If you are interested in receiving the Nadine West subscription bag for yourself, I have left everything that you need to know in the description box below, and I have just a playlist of Nadine West videos, so you can check those out if you like and see the types of items that Nadine sends. Okay, let's just get into this. All right, there is the inside of the bag, and the bundles look good. They had an easy trip. Bundle number one. Okay, this is the last bundle, and it does have the invoice stuck to it. Well, this is all the clothing I received in my bundles, and I've tried everything on, and I'm not pleased. I'm just not happy with this bag, and that's okay because Nadine sends me 2 bags a month, and normally there's a piece or 2 or 5 that I really enjoy, but this time not so much. There are 5 pieces of clothing, 1 pair of earrings. I do really like the earrings. I normally enjoy my Nadine West jewelry a whole lot. I have a jewelry box filled with it because I do enjoy fashion jewelry, and these are no exception. I like the earrings. These earrings are $9.99, and I think that's a super price. It's a pair of earrings that I will wear frequently, so that's a good investment for me. The cost of having a Nadine West sent to you is $9.78. Now you can use that cost towards any purchase you keep in the bundles, so I would definitely keep the earrings and utilize that styling fee. Now I would still be charged another like 21 cents. That's how it works. They charge you for anything that you keep, but I would utilize my styling fee because that's how I roll. I like to use those styling fees. I tried everything on. I don't like anything, but I'm going to share it all with you. We'll start with the dress, and the dress is kind of cute. I do like that the dress is long sleeve, but it's short, and I knew that when I saw the dress, that it really is too short for me. I like my dresses to be knee length or right below the knee, and this is a true wrap on the bottom. I mean, it's attached, and it's also kind of low cut in the front. The fabric is very thin. I was wearing a tank underneath this. You can see it right through the dress. I did try this on over denim, Levi's, skinny jeans, because you can wear a dress, a wrap dress that way. I don't really like that look a whole lot, but I knew this dress would be uncomfortable for me because it shows a lot of skin. It's a very thin fabric, and it's short. So it just doesn't check off any of the boxes for anything that I'm looking for in the dress, but I do like that it is a nice springtime dress. The print is springtime. It does have the 3/4 length sleeves, which make it nice for the colder spring days. The price of this dress, this is what blew me away. The price of this dress is $41.99. Now, I am quite certain, because I am an avid shopper, that I could spend $42 on a better quality dress than this one, and I could certainly find a dress that was more suited to my taste. I know that this dress would be a perfect dress for somebody out there. It's not for me, and I would never drop $42 on this dress. The brand on this one is Popular 21. The bottoms that Nadine sent are pretty cool this time. This is an olive green bottom. This is by the brand C Mode, and This is a pull-on. It does have a thick elastic band, and this is a pull-on skinny. It's it feels like double knit fabric. That's what it feels like. It does have pockets on the back, and it has this really cool detail, a little Gucci-esque, right there. I don't know. I think that is kind of a neat detail. The price on these pants is $29.49. I think that's a little bit high, mainly because the construction does not feel like good quality construction. $30, I don't know. When I was pulling the pants up, the elastic inside the waistband is not tacked in, so it rolls very easily. I did straighten it out. That was easy enough to do, but it can roll in the wash beyond repair. You know what I'm talking about? Has that ever happened to you in a pair of less expensive pants or skirt? That's what these are going to do. At least it feels that way. And also, these fit me really tight. I felt like there's no compression in these. They are stretchy, but they fit very tight, and you could see all the cellulite that I really don't want to show off. Now, if I do wear a tunic length with these, I think that I would be comfortable, but for the price on these, I would send these back. The next piece is a tunic top. This one is in olive green. This one is called the Dana. You know what the price is on this one? This is $35.99. I think that's outrageous. Now, do I like this top? Yes, I do own this top. I have purchased this top from Nadine West in both purple and navy, I think, and it's in my closet. I haven't worn it in a year, so maybe leaving my closet, and that's a good indication that I do not need another one. This is, now it does have a really cool detail in that it has the little wooden buttons on this, and I could see this styled with a wooden necklace. I didn't take the time to style it. It felt very clingy on me, and this is a rayon spandex blend, predominantly rayon, so it does have some stretch in it, but that rayon, the rayon knit tends to be very clingy in my opinion, so I would not purchase this for myself. $35.99. Do you think that's worth it? I don't. The next top is also Zanana Premium, and this one is called the Evie. This one is $26.99. This is in a lilac gray color, according to Nadine, and this one is, well, I don't know that I even have words for this one. This one felt like a maternity top. There's a lot of fabric in the front, but there was also a lot of fabric in the back. This one, again, it's the same fabric, the rayon spandex blend, super duper stretchy, and that's why I think it would make a great maternity top. I have received a few offerings from Nadine West that even my viewers thought might be maternity, but nowhere on this garment does it say that it's maternity, but that's the feeling that I had. Now, when the waistline is up right under the bust like this is a style that often doesn't work for me because I am very busty, and when you get this stretchy fabric and you raise your arm and the garment goes with you, sometimes it doesn't go back down. So this is a style that I tend to avoid. It is not a flattering style on me, and yeah, I would save my $26.99 and not purchase this. The final piece I tried on is my favorite. In theory alone, they were not a good fit. These are some pants, some bottoms. Nadine calls these the Macy's. These are $33.49, which I don't really understand because they're almost identical to the olive pants. Now, these do have a really cool plaid, a subtle plaid, and they're not as thick as the olive pants, but they're the same idea, the skinny pant, and they do have the pockets on them. They have the thick waistband, and again, the waistband is not secure. I can easily move it around, so that's a sign that it's not great construction. Yeah, I like these all right. I don't like the way they fit. They fit too tight, and because of the fabric content on these, there is no compression, so I don't feel comfortable in these. I would only wear these around the house, but I don't know that I'm going to wear a plaid jegging around the house. I could, but I have a lot of cute clothes, so these would not be the piece that I reach for. My favorite piece in this Nadine West bag, and I think the only thing that I will actually use and wear, are the earrings. I really like the earrings. Nadine West jewelry never disappoints. I have a nice collection of Nadine West jewelry. Now, I'm going to see if my mother would like to keep the pants, because sometimes she does. But little update, in my last Nadine West bag, I received a pair of pull-on denim pants. They did not even come close to fitting me, so I thought I would see if my mother wanted them. My mother is 5 feet tall and weighs about 105 pounds, a very petite woman, and she could not get them on. So I am convinced that those pull-on pants are probably a junior size. I hate to say that when it is not clearly indicated on the clothing, but yeah, I'm convinced that those pull-on denims were junior sizes, because even my little bitty mother could not get into them. So anyway, there you have it. That is my Nadine West. Elijah he didn't make an appearance. I can't believe it. But yeah, I'm not alone here, guys. I have supervision at all times. Thank you so much for joining me. Do you guys think I'm being too harsh here? This is really unusual. There is normally a piece in this Nadine West bag that I really enjoy, but this time not so much. So I hope I didn't offend any of you with my honest opinions. But yeah, that's what you get on my channel. I will have another video coming out for you very soon. Make sure that you're subscribed. I would love to see you again. Till next time, blessings.